Hi children, in this video we are going to start chapter 11 measurements. In this video we are going to see elaborately about the measuring lengths. That is measuring particularly about the length. So here first we will start with what is about this length. So here the length is a term used for identifying the size of an object. So first if you see size of an object. So if you take any object, that particular object's size is being mentioned as a length. Okay, or else the distance from one point to another point. That is, for example, if you take the distance from your home to school or the distance from your home to market can be identified using the term length. That particular word is called measuring the distance from one place to another. No, that is called length. Okay. So to find the length of different objects and from distance, we use different tools. So what are the tools which is used to measure the length? Rulers, tape measures, meter sticks. So rulers in the sense we'll have scale, no? In our daily life we are using the scale, right? So this scale has the measurements in centimeter. Okay, so if you see here particularly from 0 to 1, it is a 1 centimeter. So with this 1 centimeter, you have small lines in between, no? So each and every line is counted as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 like that. So that is each and every line you will consider as a millimeter. Okay. So another tool, if you see, this is a tool used to measure in meters. Like, if you see, this is also one of the tool which is being used to measure in meters. Okay, so now we'll just move on to different units of length. So here the different units of length starts with millimeter in the metric system. Okay, so the millimeter is the smallest unit in the metric system. So from small to big I am going to explain you. So after millimeter you will have centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. So these are the short form I have written. The full form of these units I have written here. See, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and kilometer. Okay, so if you take these units, this is the order of metric system from small to big. That is, if you take centimeter, this centimeter is bigger than millimeter, decimeter is bigger than centimeter and millimeter, like that. But each and every unit, if you take, each and every unit is 10 times bigger. 10 times bigger to its right side unit. To its right side unit. If you take centimeter, the centimeter is 10 times bigger than millimeter. And if you take decimeter, this decimeter is 10 times greater than this centimeter. So if you take each and every unit to its right side, I am talking about this only one, comparing these two, these two, these two, these two, like two units. Okay, so each and every unit is 10 times greater to its unit right side. Okay, so that is what I have written. Each unit is 10 times greater to the unit right side. Okay, so now in this video we are going to see elaborately about 4 units, which is millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. So here the millimeter. The millimeter is used to measure something that is very small. Okay, for example, if you see seeds, pepper, cumin, etc. Like the very small objects can be measured with the unit millimeters. So if I show you some sort of very small things here, only one example I'll show you. If I just want to know the size of the pepper, okay, I'm going to use scale only to measure this, because in scale itself we have millimeter, no? So when I'm keeping this from 0, I have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. So the size of this pepper is showing me 0.4. That means it is a 0.4 millimeter. See, I'm showing you very close. Okay? Yes. So next, centimeter. So the centimeter is the next smallest unit of the measurement, which can be measured with the objects like pen, pencil, length of the book, height of a herb, a short plants, no? The height of that small plants can be identified using centimeter unit. So if you want, I can show you a small example of finding the size of the pencil using scale. Okay, so I'm placing the scale and I'm going to place the pencil. So this pencil is showing me 14.2 centimeter. The size of this pencil is 14.2 centimeter. The next one is about meter. So what are the objects measured in meters? For example, tables, length of a small room, length of a cricket pitch, height of a tree. So if you compare the height of the herb and height of a tree, it is having a difference. So height of a herb is very short, which can be measured with the centimeters unit, but the height of the tree, if you compare, the tree will be very tall. It can be measured only with the unit of meters. Okay, the window frames, television screens, like etc. So these are the small example which can be measured with the unit of meter. So next we will see about kilometers. So kilometer is used to measure the long distance. Okay, long distance in the sense the distance between two locations or cities. Okay, like as I told you in the beginning, no, from the distance between from your home to school, or from home to market, like home to temple, like that, or from the distance between Chennai to Mumbai, like that, different cities you have, no. So these distance can be measured with the kilometers. Okay, so finally we'll just go into conversion process. So whenever you convert, even if you take the measurement of length or measurement of mass or capacity, this mass and capacity you will read in the upcoming videos. So whenever you convert with different units, always follow the same rule. That is, when you convert the bigger unit to smaller unit, you will do multiplication. When you convert the smaller unit to bigger unit, you will do division. Okay, so for example, here I have taught you the different units of length. If I take millimeter and centimeter, so these two units are here. Now if I want to convert centimeter to millimeter, first you have to find which is smaller and which is bigger. So in the different units of length, millimeter is smaller when you compare to centimeter. Centimeter is bigger. Okay, now we are just comparing only these two units. Okay, so when you convert centimeter to millimeter, centimeter is bigger than millimeter. So you are converting big to small. So that time you have to do multiplication process. Okay, now when you convert millimeter to centimeter, here this millimeter is smaller, centimeter is bigger. So here you are converting from small to big. That time when you are converting smaller unit to bigger unit, you will do division. Okay. So hope you have understood. Thank you, children.